Today, let's dive into how you can enhance your Sonos experience by integrating Soundsuit, a fantastic music service tailored for your needs. Whether you are using iOS or Android, the process begins in the Settings tab of your Sonos app. First, grab your phone and open the Sonos app. In the Settings menu, tap on Services. This area allows you to manage all your music and content services in one place. Once you're in the app, head over to the Settings tab. It's usually located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, tap on Services from the list of options. Scroll down until you find the Music and Content section. Under Music and Content, tap on Add a Service. Now, you'll see a list of available music services. Scroll through the list until you find Soundsuit. Select it, then proceed by tapping Add to Sonos to start the integration process. Please now, follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Soundsuit account. At this point, you will be prompted to connect your Soundsuit account. If you already have an account, simply tap I already have an account and sign in. If you're new, tap I'm new to Soundsuit.fm and follow the sign-up instructions. Then click on Create Account. Next, enter your Soundsuit, login, and the password you assigned in the previous step. Voila! Your Soundsuit account is now linked to your Sonos app. Now it's time to play some music. Tap in your Sonos navigation menu, in the bottom of your screen, on the music icon. Below, tap Soundsuit in the list of connected services to select Soundsuit for music playback. Now pick in the Soundsuit menu and play along your defined schedule, or play a custom mood. You also have the option of playing music from a variety of different genres. Don't forget to activate the crossfade to create a smooth transition between the tracks, like a DJ. To do this, go to the playback screen and press the icon with the three dots to activate the crossfade switch. Slide the switch to activate the crossfade. The green color lights up when the activation has worked. That's it! Your Soundsuit is now set up on your Sonos system. Enjoy curating your music settings and watch as Soundsuit automatically syncs with your new preferences from the third song onwards. Happy listening!